Assalamu alaikum. We are excited to announce that we have recently invested and now opened a factory of producing PET packaging strap in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Specta has thus diversified its assets geographically, and it's even better in a better position to service its clients. Specta has always prided its reputation of being trustworthy, competitive, and offering a wide range of products which are best in the market for its clients. Why Dubai? Dubai is an ideal location. Our factory is located just 20 minutes from one of the largest ports in the world. It will improve our logistics and supply chain for your benefit. As a Finn, the environment is of special significance for me. In Finland, we have one of the most beautiful landscapes in the world. That's why I want to do my part to preserve the environment, also in other countries, for future generations. In Specta, we don't believe in greenwashing or brainwashing. We drive the sustainability. This is our raw material, used PET bottles. From PET bottles, the PET flakes are being produced. And this is our raw material. From the PET flakes, the packaging strap is produced, and here is a ready pallet, ready to be shipped for you.
As a head of production, I feel sometimes like I am a head of gymnastic team. We train, measure, analyze, develop, improve, and again a new cycle. We are able to achieve 99.85% consistency in our strapping quality. In the end, it's a question of muscle memory, mental performance, and learning by accepting mistakes.
Hent, how is your experience in Specta?
I'm new in Specta. Specta represents a flat organizational culture which is with no hierarchy, which is new in the Middle East. Everyone here supports and trusts each other. Everyone is equally important. It's like playing in a football team which understands the importance of play of each match. I know you have been here for 17 years. What was your experience in Specta?
The philosophy of Specta's sales and customer service representative is like running contest. It doesn't matter how we start, it matters how we finish.
At Specta, one of our corporate values is healthy lifestyle. That's why we encourage the initiatives for sport and wellness. Guys, how did you like running? Yeah!